Jamie with the MidPointe Library System. Are you looking for some ideas on how to write a resume or maybe to receive some pointers on interviewing? The MidPointe Library System has several resources to help you prepare for your job search. The three we will be talking about today are Brainfuse Job Now, LinkedIn Learning, and of course our very own library collection. Brainfuse Job Now gives you access to career, resume, and job interview assistance that includes a chance to work with live coaches who will help you through your job search process. To get to Brainfuse Job Now, you will need to go to midpointlibrary.org. And within the orange bar at the top, you'll want to hover over e-resources and click on Research Databases. We already know the name that we're looking for is Brainfuse Job Now, so we can browse through the A through D, or you can also click on Test and Career Preparation. The list will be alphabetical, so we'll look for Brainfuse, click on that, and it should take you to the website. You can see it is divided into three main sections to help you navigate to what you may need. So let's say we're trying to write a resume, but we're not sure where to start. You can click on things like resume templates to download a document that will walk you through examples of what your resume could have on it. And if we click on this, you can see there's a combination resume, chronological, etc. Don't forget, though, that there are live coaches to give you feedback, whether you are working on a resume, needing help with interviewing, or just assisting with applying for jobs and preparing. Our second resource is LinkedIn Learning, which is an amazing online website that offers more than 6,000 courses that include instructional videos on resume writing, computer skills, career development, and so much more. To get to LinkedIn Learning, you'll also have to go to midpointlibrary.org, e-resources, research databases. We could go to Browse L through P, but this time let's click on the Test and Career Preparation. The list is still alphabetical. Click on LinkedIn Learning. And you should get this splash page where you want to click on Get Started. And whether you've been on here before or not, it does want you to verify your library card to start off. So let's type in your library card number and PIN and click Continue. Now, if you've never been on LinkedIn Learning before, it will ask you a few more questions to see what kinds of things you might be interested in. But since I've been on here, it popped up with what I have saved already that I'm interested in learning about. But if you really don't know, that's fine, because there's also a Browse button and also a search bar. So we'll type in resume writing. And it gave us already 53 results for resume writing. Several are courses or just a quick video, just all sorts of things that will be super useful for your job search. Our third resource is our physical library collection, where you can search on our website to look through the catalog to find either physical books, or maybe you want ebooks from either our Libby or Hoopla apps. You'll go back to midpointlibrary.org, but you'll hover over Catalog this time and click Catalog Search. And in the search bar, this is where you would be able to write resume writing and do a search, and it'll pull up originally any online materials or physical copies at the library. So let's go ahead and just click on Book in the left panel and hit Apply. And it should narrow down everything that is just physical copies currently. And let's say we'll look at the resumes for dummies. And it looks like Liberty has a copy in their nonfiction section. And if you click on the location, it'll give you the call number, which will be on the spine. But anytime you're really looking for resume or jobs interview type books, it should be in the 650 area. Thank you so much for joining me, and I hope this helped give you some resources to help you with your job search.